Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on real estate keyword research made easy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use free online tools like Google Search and SEMrush to identify the right keywords to target for your real estate business. I'll also explain why targeting hyperlocal keywords is essential and provide examples of how to find them. So let's dive right into it. Step 1. Start by typing in some keywords related to your real estate business into Google. Google's autocomplete feature will give you some suggestions. And if you look further down the page, you'll find the People Also Ask section. These are related keywords that people are searching for, and you can get some great ideas from them. Here's a pro tip. Keep clicking on the drop downs and you'll get even more suggestions. Step 2. SEMrush. This tool's a game changer. Sign up for a free account, then click on the keyword magic tool on the left. Type in your keywords and voila, you'll get data such as search volume and keyword difficulty. You can filter your search based on location and language. Pretty cool, right? Step 3. Social media is another excellent tool to identify hyperlocal keywords. You can search for local hashtags on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to see what people are talking about in your area. Now, targeting hyperlocal keywords is crucial for real estate agents as it helps you increase your online visibility in your specific location. For example, instead of targeting broad keywords like real estate agent, you can target more specific keywords like real estate agent in your city or neighborhood. This will help you reach potential clients who are searching for real estate services in your specific location. In conclusion, by following these simple steps, you'll be able to conduct effective keyword research for your real estate business and increase your online visibility. Remember to focus on hyperlocal keywords and use tools like Google Search and SEMrush and social media to identify the right keywords to target. Good luck with your keyword research and happy hunting for new clients.